Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into get up. 18 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Uniform. Which means the distinctive clothing worn by members of the same organization or body or by children attending certain schools. Uniform. For example, airline pilots in dark blue uniforms. Number 2. Strip. Which means the identifying outfit worn by the members of a sports team while playing. Strip. For example, the team's away strip is a garish mix of red, white, and blue. Number 3. Gear. Which means clothing, especially of a specified kind. Gear. For example, the best designer gear. Number 4. Costume. Which means a set of clothes in a style typical of a particular country or historical period. Costume. For example, there's a prize for the best costume. Number 5. Kit. Which means the clothing used for an activity such as a sport. Kit. For example, a football kit. Number 6. Turnout. Which means the way in which a person or thing is equipped or dressed. Turnout. For example, his turnout was exceedingly elegant. Number 7. Garb. Which means clothing, especially of a distinctive or special kind. Garb. For example, kids in combat garb. Number 8. Apparel. Which means clothing. Apparel. For example, they were dressed in bright apparel. Number 9. Habit. Which means clothes. Habit. For example, a monk's habit. Number 10. Outfit. Which means a set of clothes worn together, especially for a particular occasion or purpose. Outfit. For example, her wedding outfit. Number 11. Livery. Which means a special uniform worn by a servant, an official, or a member of a city company. Livery. For example, yeoman of the guard wearing a royal red and gold livery. Number 12. Clothes. Which means Items worn to cover the body. Clothes. For example, he stripped off his clothes. Number 13. Dress. Which means clothing of a specified kind for men or women. Dress. For example, at 10 o'clock Morton put on full evening dress. Number 14. Ensemble. Which means a set of clothes chosen to harmonize when worn together. Ensemble. For example, she wore a pink and black ensemble. Number 15. Clothing. Which means clothes collectively. Clothing. For example, they were wearing dark clothing. Number 16. Rig. Which means a person's costume, outfit, or style of dress. Rig. For example, the rig of the American Army Air Corps. Number 17. Suit. Which means a set of outer clothes made of the same fabric and designed to be worn together, typically consisting of a jacket and trousers or a jacket and skirt. Suit. For example, a pinstriped suit. Number 18. Attire. Which means clothes, especially fine or formal ones. Attire. For example, the usually sober attire of British Security Service personnel. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.